Hi there, today I want to show you the 5 best beard trimmers. I would like to explain to you why this is the best option for man style. Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Set. Learn about the reasons behind its popularity, and why it provides precision for grooming mustaches. Let's find out why it has become the best option for men's style. Inner power revealing the Groomsman kit. Let's start by analyzing the components that make the Groomsman trimmer kit a powerful tool for grooming. Superior blade. Groomsman is made with precision ground high-carbon steel blades for a perfect trimming experience. These blades provide a smooth, even cut, giving your mustache a sharp, perfect shape. Out-of-the-box versatility. From delicate, sophisticated stubble to bold, expressive mustaches, this set is suitable for any style, giving you the flexibility to experiment with your looks. Cordless freedom. Free yourself from the hassle of replacing batteries. Groomsman is equipped with a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to groom without the limitations of cables. Experience freedom of movement and enjoy effortless grooming sessions with this cordless wonder. Master mustache care. So let's take a look at how the Groomsman trimmer kit takes the art of mustache grooming to a new level. Redefining precision. Grooming a mustache requires precision, and Groomsmen are up to the challenge. Finely tuned blades allow for careful shaping, ensuring every contour of your mustache receives expert attention and care. Design comfort. Grooming should be a comfortable experience, and the Groomsman's ergonomic design ensures that, with a thoughtful design that provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle and secure control during your grooming session, becomes possible. Easy maintenance. It's important to keep your grooming tools in top condition for consistent performance. Groomsman's removable blades make cleaning easy and keep the trimmer sanitary and ready for your next grooming job. Number 2. Unleash precision grooming with Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer, your ultimate tool for detailing excellence. In the fast-paced world of personal grooming, precision is key. Whether it's shaping your beard, taming unruly eyebrows, or tackling those hard-to-reach nose and ear hairs, having the right tool for the job makes all the difference. Enter the Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer, a compact, versatile grooming device designed to elevate your detailing game to new heights. Compact powerhouse. The Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer is a true game-changer, combining portability with powerful performance. Don't let its compact size fool you. This trimmer is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that delivers a consistent and reliable cutting experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and hello to the freedom of precision grooming wherever you go. Interchangeable heads for every detail. What sets the Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer apart is its interchangeable heads, each designed for specific detailing tasks. Whether you're sculpting your beard, refining your neckline, grooming your eyebrows, or tackling those hard-to-reach nose and ear hairs, this trimmer has got you covered. The versatility of interchangeable heads ensures that you can achieve the exact look you desire with ease and precision. Nose and ear hair, no match for Wahl precision. One of the standout features of this trimmer is its dedicated nose and ear hair head. Unwanted hair in these areas can be both unsightly and uncomfortable. The Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer's specialized head ensures pain-free and efficient removal, leaving you with a clean and groomed appearance. The rounded tips of the blades prioritize safety, preventing any nicks or cuts in delicate areas. Eyebrow perfection. Achieving the perfect eyebrow shape requires precision and control. With the Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer, you can confidently shape and define your eyebrows with the precision head. The fine-tuned blades make it easy to create sharp lines and contours, giving your brows a polished and well-groomed appearance. Neckline and beard sculpting. Maintaining a sharp neckline and well-groomed beard is effortless with the Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer. The trimmer's versatility allows you to switch between heads seamlessly, ensuring a smooth and even trim every time. Say goodbye to uneven lines and hello to a well-defined, professional look. Portability meets durability. Designed for on-the-go grooming, this trimmer combines portability with durability. The compact size makes it easy to slip into your travel bag or toiletry kit, ensuring you can maintain your grooming routine wherever life takes you. The robust construction ensures longevity, making the Wahl Lithium Pen Detail Trimmer a reliable companion for years to come. Number 3. Wahl USA Chrome Pro Corded Clipper. Elevate your grooming experience with precision and power. When it comes to achieving a professional quality haircut at home, having the right tools is paramount. The Wahl USA Chrome Pro Corded Clipper is a game-changing haircutting kit designed for men who seek precision, power, and convenience in their grooming routine. Now we'll explore why this clipper is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their at-home haircutting experience. Precision cutting with power. The Wahl Chrome Pro Corded Clipper is equipped with high-carbon steel blades that deliver sharp, precise cuts with every use. The powerful motor ensures efficient performance, effortlessly gliding through hair of all types and thicknesses. Whether you're maintaining a classic style or experimenting with a trendy new look, this clipper provides the precision needed for a clean and polished finish. Complete haircutting kit. What sets the Wahl Chrome Pro apart is its comprehensive haircutting kit. The kit includes a variety of guide combs, allowing you to customize your haircut length with ease. From a close buzz to a longer trim, the different combs make it simple to achieve the desired length and style. The kit also includes other essential accessories such as a styling comb, scissors, and a cleaning brush, everything you need for a professional-grade haircut at home. Corded convenience. The Chrome Pro operates with a cord, ensuring a consistent and reliable power source throughout your entire grooming session. This eliminates the need to worry about battery life or charging breaks, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a plug-and-play solution. The corded design guarantees uninterrupted power, allowing you to focus on achieving the perfect haircut without any interruptions. Durable and dependable. Wahl, a trusted name in grooming, is known for producing high-quality and durable products. The Chrome Pro Corded Clipper is no exception. The robust construction of the clipper ensures longevity, making it a reliable investment for the long term. Built to withstand regular use, this clipper is a testament to Wahl's commitment to delivering tools that stand the test of time. Versatility and styling. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned barber, the Wahl Chrome Pro adapts to your styling needs. From buzz cuts to fades and everything in between, this clipper offers versatility in styling. The range of guide combs and the adjustable taper lever make it easy to achieve a variety of lengths and styles, empowering you to experiment and express your personal style from the comfort of your home. The Wahl USA Chrome Pro Corded Clipper is a complete haircutting kit that combines precision, power, and convenience. Elevate your grooming routine with this reliable tool, designed to provide professional quality haircuts at home. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits and hello to a personalized grooming experience tailored to your preferences. Wahl's commitment to quality shines through in every detail of the Chrome Pro, making it a must-have for men who value precision and style in their grooming routine. Number 4. Unleash the power of precision. Wahl USA Clipper Rechargeable Lithium-Ion Cordless Hair Cutting Clipper and Battery Trimming Combo Kit. In the realm of at-home hair grooming, the right tools can make all the difference. The Wahl USA Clipper Rechargeable Lithium-Ion Cordless Hair Cutting Clipper and Battery Trimming Combo Kit is a powerhouse set that combines cutting-edge technology with versatility. Say goodbye to the limitations of cords and hello to the freedom of precision grooming. Now we'll explore why this combo kit deserves a place in your grooming arsenal. Cordless freedom, lithium-ion power. The Wahl USA Clipper is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing you with the freedom to move without being tethered to an outlet. This cordless design not only enhances convenience but also offers consistent and reliable power throughout your entire grooming session. No more dealing with tangled cords or searching for the nearest electrical outlet. With the lithium-ion battery, you're in control. Precision cutting at your fingertips. The high-precision blades of the Wahl USA Clipper ensure a sharp and clean cut every time. Whether you're maintaining a classic style or experimenting with a trendy new look, the clipper's advanced cutting technology allows for precise control. The adjustable taper lever lets you customize your haircut length with ease, ensuring a tailored grooming experience. Combo kit for comprehensive grooming. What sets this Wahl kit apart is the inclusion of a battery-powered trimmer. This versatile trimmer is perfect for touch-ups, detailing, and precision work around the edges. The combo kit covers all aspects of grooming, from full haircuts with the cordless clipper to detailed finishing touches with the battery-powered trimmer. It's a one-stop solution for achieving a professional-looking finish from the comfort of your home. Quick charge, long run time. Wahl understands the importance of efficiency in grooming. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery boasts a quick charge feature, ensuring that your tools are ready when you are. With an impressive runtime on a single charge, you can tackle multiple grooming sessions before needing to recharge. The convenience of a quick charge and long battery life makes the Wahl USA Clipper and Trimmer Combo Kit a reliable choice for those who lead a busy lifestyle. Ergonomic design for comfort. Grooming should be a comfortable experience, and Wahl keeps that in mind with the ergonomic design of the clipper and trimmer. The lightweight construction and comfortable grip ensure that you can achieve precise cuts without hand fatigue. The thoughtful design elements contribute to an overall enjoyable and stress-free grooming experience. Number 5. Wahl USA Clip and Trim 2-in-1 Corded Hair Clipper, your all-in-one solution for home haircuts and precision grooming. In the realm of at-home hair grooming, finding a tool that combines versatility and precision is a game-changer. The Wahl USA Clip and Trim 2-in-1 Corded Hair Clipper with Pop-Up Trimmer Kit, Model 799001501P, is the answer to achieving professional quality haircuts and meticulous detailing in the comfort of your own home. Let's delve into the features that make this clipper a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and those looking for an efficient and reliable grooming solution. Versatility meets precision. The Clip and Trim 2-in-1 Corded Hair Clipper is a testament to Wahl's commitment to innovation and user convenience. This clipper not only functions as a powerful haircutting tool but also comes equipped with a pop-up trimmer, adding an extra layer of versatility to your grooming routine. Whether you're shaping your sideburns, refining your neckline, or tackling stray hairs, this all-in-one solution ensures a precise and polished finish. Corded power for consistent performance. The corded design of the Clip and Trim Clipper ensures a consistent and reliable power source throughout your grooming session. Say goodbye to the limitations of battery life and the inconvenience of charging breaks. With the corded functionality, you have uninterrupted power at your fingertips. This is particularly advantageous for those who prioritize efficiency and reliability in their grooming routine. Pop-up trimmer for detailing excellence. The integrated pop-up trimmer is a standout feature of this Wahl kit. Perfect for touch-ups and detailed work, the trimmer allows you to achieve a level of precision that goes beyond the capabilities of a standard clipper. Tackle unruly sideburns, define your neckline, or shape your beard with ease. The pop-up trimmer is your secret weapon for meticulous detailing. Adjustable taper lever for customization. Achieving the perfect haircut requires the ability to customize the length and style according to your preferences. The Clip and Trim Clipper features an adjustable taper lever that lets you easily switch between different lengths, providing flexibility in your grooming choices. Experiment with various styles or stick to a classic look. This clipper adapts to your unique preferences. Ergonomic design for comfort. Wahl understands that a comfortable grooming experience is key to achieving the best results. The ergonomic design of the Clip and Trim Clipper ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control without hand fatigue. The lightweight construction adds to the overall ease of use, making your at-home haircutting and detailing sessions a breeze. Conclusion. The Wahl USA Clip and Trim 2-in-1 Corded Hair Clipper with Pop-Up Trimmer Kit is a versatile and powerful grooming tool that empowers you to take control of your haircutting and detailing needs. With corded convenience, a built-in pop-up trimmer, and an adjustable taper lever, this clipper is designed for precision and customization. Elevate your at-home grooming experience with the Clip and Trim and enjoy the flexibility to achieve salon-quality results on your terms. Wahl's commitment to quality and innovation shines through in this all-in-one grooming solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.